Welcome back to Shedtune and Shedtune HQ, and we're still building the Sprinter and we've got more work to do on the frame, but first things first, I need to make a cup of tea. Well, Dom's popped out for 5 minutes to go and sort something out, so I thought I'd just show you where we're up to so far. We've been working on all the schematics for the frame. In fact, we found some stuff on the interweb, which is all of the old drawings, as you can see. And we've been measuring up this frame to make sure it's as accurate as possible, and it's a little bit out, but not too far out. What else have we been doing? We've been doing a bit more work on here to the frame stand, so that when we put that stand onto the bench, it is 100% level, because we worked out that this bit we put in the wrong place and it would get in the way of what we needed to do. So we'll crack on, see where we get to today. Health and safety of its finest. Told you we'd do some welding. Well and truly welded that is. We can race the frame stand, just not the frame yet. Right, so now the son of a preacher man. Such a knob, isn't he? Anyway, as I was saying, now we've got the frame stand somewhat level, we're going to take that frame off and put that frame on, and then start getting it ready to weld bits on using the diagram that he's now holding up that I've already shown you. So we've just been talking about trying to get this strut on in the right place.
Basically it sits over the top,
and it's completely different to the original Italian one, which we know it's remade, but it's just one of the things you face when you're trying to rebuild a frame properly, is that with all Ambrettas you need to fettle stuff, and that's literally everything. So of course when we offer it up in where it should be, it doesn't look right. When we measure the other frame, you can see why.
I think what we do is you do a centre line through here, centre line through here, even that up, and then mark the centre wherever that centre line is on there.
Okay.
And that'll give us
something a bit more accurate.
Yeah.
Because we found these drawings, which are the original frame specs, we've been working off of the dimensions from the front end here to the
comparing them to this one,
and comparing them to our own drawings, and that's roughly where it should be, which looks miles out compared with our original drawings. But then,
oh, there you go.
Yeah, that's not that far out, is it?
No, because then you think that's got an extra lip.
And that just goes to show how the remade stuff is different to the original. So, slight change of plan with the frame jig. So Dom's welded in this section, which is fully adjustable now, so that we can actually get it 100% level and upright in every direction. Day 372, and we're just about to weld the brackets on. There's Dom doing all the work again. You'll notice that we've now got it in position. Look how it's perfectly straight and all measured up. We've got special mechanical Meccano to hold it in place, and that it fits perfectly. We're going to weld it on right now. We've decided we're going to super glue it on rather than weld it because it's lighter.
Here you go, Deb. There's me trying to be funny.
Yeah, it didn't work, did it?
No. Failed.
Dom's design, the flip top frame jig. Belt and braces and all that. Say bye, Dom.
Bye, Dom.
Right, that's going to be the end of this week's video. Thanks very, very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget, give it a thumbs up, a like, a subscribe, ring that bell, or whatever it's called, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.